Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Angular project from scratch. First and foremost, you would want to open CMD or command prompt as an administrator. And in here, you would want to go to your project. In my case, I keep all my Angular projects in just one folder, which is on my D drive. So I'll go ahead and change to my D drive, then change directory with CD Angular projects. This will not be the same case for you, especially if you don't have this specific folder. I just like, again, to remind you guys that Angular projects is where I keep all of my Angular projects. So it's just a folder in my D drive. The very first step you would want to do now is to install Angular CLI. npm install -g at angular/CLI. Now, in your case, if this doesn't work for you, means that you don't have Node.js installed. Okay, so from here, it would take some time to install. What we want to do now next is you want to use ng new. Now you're going to create a new Angular project and the name of your Angular project. So I would like to just keep this short and simple. I'll just go ahead and say my project. So again, ng, you're going to be using Angular's specific keywords, then new, then my project would be the name of my project. So after creating that, I'm going to use the CLI for Angular. You can pick whatever style sheet you want. I'll just go ahead and keep this simple and use CSS. Then it will install some packages here. Give it a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your hardware. The package has already been installed. Now we have our Angular project. So now how are we going to know that we have already installed it? You can, of course, go to your folder. In my case, I have Angular projects here. And now inside of this, you'll see my new project, which we just created a few seconds ago. Now, of course, what we want to do now next is you want to run this project. Of course, you want to see how you did well. Now for the most of the purpose for this project, I'll go ahead and use Visual Studio Code. Open our project is go to open folder. Visual Studio Code, if you don't have this, you go ahead and download that. Open the folder where you installed your Angular project. Angular projects, I have my project as our project for Angular. So I'll select this folder. Then make sure you are in the root folder of where your Angular would be located. I'll go ahead and press Control and the title key. So in here, now, as you can see, I am still inside my project for Angular. Now what we want to do here is you say npm start. Then it gives some time for us to for the project to be served. It says here you'd like to share some synonym data. If you want, you can do that. If not, then that's fine as well. How are you going to make sure that your servers are running is that you can see this one, localhost 4200. Just go ahead and copy that. Then in here, you can see that the project is up and running. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you again in the next one.